Are you looking for a wonderful home with convenient access to shopping, restaurants, healthcare, and entertainment? This home also provides easy access to multiple military installations. Welcome to 6440 Vicky Lane. It is offered in Dublin North, which is right along the Powers Corridor. The home's almost 3,400 square feet. There's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 2-car oversized garage, and so many wonderful features. I'm excited to show you more. The entryway is warm and welcoming, and the space has so many options for use. It's currently being utilized as an office space, but it could also be a dining room, a play area, or a formal sitting area. The kitchen has been beautifully updated. Look at this gold sink, and there's gold accents throughout the kitchen. There's also a wonderful buffet for extra storage, and the kitchen opens directly into a dining space and the living room, so it's easy to entertain family and friends. Additionally, you could head directly out to the backyard for even more entertainment space. The primary suite offers a perfect retreat for the end of the day. It's nice and bright and welcoming, and it leads in to the primary bath. There's a door, it's 5-piece with a double vanity, a large soaking tub, a stand-up shower, and there's also a large walk-in closet. The upper level also offers 3 additional bedrooms, 2 of which have walk-in closets. There's a full bathroom, and the laundry is conveniently located up here. And there's a versatile loft that's nice and bright and light, and you could use for so many different things. The unfinished basement is a footprint of the floor above it. The pre-plumbing is already in place, so you could finish the space to suit your lifestyle. Offers multiple outdoor living spaces, so you can easily enjoy the Colorado lifestyle. Also, there's several mature trees, which are beautiful, and the turf means you'll spend less time doing yard work and maintenance so that you can enjoy all that this beautiful home has to offer.